Hey, gorgeous! Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Let's talk about diving into the world of digital marketing. Starting fresh can feel amazing, right? It's like a blank canvas full of possibilities. Think of it as a chance to learn, grow, and explore. Forget any doubts or fears. You've got this. We'll break it down together, step by step. Remember, every expert started somewhere. They were once beginners too. So embrace this new journey with open arms. Let's do this. Okay, let's get down to business. What exactly is digital marketing? Simply put, it's all about connecting with your ideal audience online. Think websites, social media, emails, and search engines. It's about getting your message out there in the digital world. There are different pieces to this puzzle like SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Don't worry, we'll unpack these later. The key is to understand your audience and find the right channels to reach them. Guess what? You might think that diving into the world of digital marketing requires a hefty investment or a specialized degree, but that's not the case at all. You don't need a fortune to start learning digital marketing. In fact, some of the best resources are available for free, right at your fingertips. There are tons of fantastic free resources out there. From comprehensive guides to interactive tutorials, the internet is brimming with opportunities to learn. Think blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels packed with valuable information. These platforms are not just for entertainment, they are treasure troves of knowledge. Check out blogs like Moz, Neil Patel, and HubSpot for insightful articles and tips. These industry leaders share their expertise on everything from SEO to content marketing. Podcasts are amazing for learning on the go. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or just relaxing at home, you can absorb valuable insights from experts. Tune into Marketing School by Neil Patel and Eric Siu. Their bite-sized episodes are perfect for quick, actionable tips. Or dive into Online Marketing Made Easy by Amy Porterfield. Her in-depth discussions and interviews provide a wealth of knowledge. And don't underestimate the power of YouTube. It's not just for cat videos and vlogs. Channels like Google Analytics Academy offer free tutorials and courses that can help you master essential tools. And HubSpot's YouTube channel is another excellent resource, providing step-by-step guides and expert advice. Soak up all that knowledge. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in your digital marketing journey. Remember, the key is to stay curious and keep exploring. The digital marketing landscape is always evolving, and there's always something new to discover. While free resources are fantastic, investing in yourself is never a bad idea. Paid courses and programs can provide structured learning and deeper insights. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer a wide variety of digital marketing courses at different price points. Look for courses taught by industry experts with proven track records. Remember, knowledge is power, and investing in yourself is always a smart move. Section 5. Learning by doing, the power of hands-on experience. In today's fast-paced digital world, theoretical knowledge alone isn't enough. You need to dive in and get your hands dirty to truly understand the intricacies of digital marketing. Here's a secret. You'll learn digital marketing best by actually doing it. Engaging directly with the tools and platforms will give you insights that no textbook can offer. Reading and watching tutorials is great, but nothing beats rolling up your sleeves and getting your hands dirty. Tutorials provide a foundation, but real learning happens when you apply that knowledge in real-world scenarios. Create your own website or blog. This will not only help you understand the technical aspects, but also the creative process involved in content creation. Experiment with social media marketing. Try different strategies, analyze the results, and refine your approach. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Try your hand at email marketing. Craft compelling emails, segment your audience, and track the performance of your campaigns. Each step will teach you something new. The more you practice, the more confident and knowledgeable you'll become. Confidence comes from familiarity, and familiarity comes from consistent practice. Embrace the learning process and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise, guiding you towards mastery. So take the plunge, experiment, and watch yourself evolve into a digital marketing expert. Section 6. Networking Nirvana. Connecting with fellow marketers. Digital marketing doesn't have to be a solitary journey. Connect with fellow marketers, learn from their experiences, and share your own. Join online communities like Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and Twitter chats dedicated to digital marketing. Attend webinars and online conferences to hear from industry experts and network with other professionals. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide support, inspiration, and valuable connections.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 7, the content conundrum, creating engaging and valuable content. Content is king in the digital world. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, videos, or emails, you need to create content that resonates with your audience. Think about their needs, interests, and pain points. Provide value, entertain, educate, or inspire them. High-quality, engaging content builds trust and strengthens your brand. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats and find what works best for you and your audience. Section 8, analyzing your efforts. Data is your best friend. In digital marketing, you have access to a treasure trove of data. Track your website traffic, social media engagement, email open rates, and other key metrics. Use tools like Google Analytics to understand your audience, their behavior, and what's working and what's not. Data analysis helps you make informed decisions, optimize your strategies, and get better results. Don't be intimidated by data. It's your ally in the quest for digital marketing success. Section 9, common mistakes and how to avoid them. In this section, we will dive deep into the most frequent errors marketers make and how you can steer clear of them to ensure your success. Listen up, beautiful. Everyone makes mistakes, especially when starting. It's part of the learning process. But wouldn't it be great if you could avoid some of the most common pitfalls right from the get-go? But let's try to avoid some common pitfalls. These mistakes can cost you time, money, and even your sanity, so let's break them down and see how you can avoid them. Spreading yourself too thin? This is a classic mistake. Trying to be everywhere at once can lead to burnout and ineffective marketing. Focus on a few key platforms first before conquering the entire digital universe. Master these platforms, understand their nuances, and build a strong presence there before expanding. Ignoring your target audience. This is another big one. If you don't know who you're talking to, your message will fall on deaf ears. Know who you're talking to and tailor your message accordingly. Research your audience, understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. This will help you create content that resonates with them. Not tracking your results. Flying blind is never a good strategy. Without tracking your results, you won't know what's working and what's not. Data is your friend. Analyze what's working and adjust your strategies. Use analytics tools to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. This will help you optimize your efforts and achieve better results. Giving up too soon. Patience is key in digital marketing. Success doesn't happen overnight. Building a strong digital presence takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep improving. Your hard work will pay off in the long run. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Section 10, staying ahead of the curve, embracing continuous learning. Here's the thing about digital marketing. It's constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. That's why continuous learning is crucial. Stay updated on the latest trends, algorithm changes, and industry best practices. Follow thought leaders, attend webinars, read industry publications, and never stop experimenting. Embrace the ever-changing nature of the digital landscape and be adaptable. Section 11. Your digital marketing adventure awaits. You've got this, gorgeous. Starting your digital marketing journey is an exciting adventure. Remember to be patient with yourself, stay curious, and never stop learning. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never be afraid to ask for help along the way. Now go out there and rock the digital world.